how to cancel nearby jobs for my business on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel nearby jobs for my business on Yelp. To do this is simple. After logging in into your account, the next step is to log in into your Yelp for Business account by going to the top part of the screen and then click on login to business account. And then once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your business page automatically where you would see further details about your business. Once you can see all of this, you would move to the billing section of your account. So just move to your billing section. Okay. Now, once you're in your billing section, you will see a list of options. Ensure you click on manage account. After clicking on manage account on the page, click on I would like to cancel. You'll see a button which says I would like to cancel. Click on it, and then you'll see the list of things or the list of jobs that you can cancel. So just tick the ones that you want to cancel, and then just like that, those nearby jobs will be cancelled on your Yelp for business. Just like that. So just navigate to your business section, click on manage, click on cancel, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.